Bum, bum, dum. Do, 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 do. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So something happened today. Unfortunately, I got my driving license. Look at my lovely lashes. They're lash clusters, by the way. So I got my driver license, which is amazing, great news. So I'm gonna go out with someone mysterious. I can't tell you that. So yeah, I'm gonna celebrate. We need to buy. Ahí está mi tienda, Sally's!
Oh, sweet girl.
I love Sally's.
Oh, you know you gotta get pink again.
I know, right? I'm gonna go back to pink.
Wait, why don't we shop here often?
Because it's a little far now.
Well,
It's 1 hour.
an hour and 40 minutes.
Well, it's not that bad. It's not that bad, yeah. So as you guys know, we're here at Daytona Beach, and
Is this called Daytona Beach? Or are you just saying
like
Daytona Beach?
I think this is the area, right? The area.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. The area. So this is my first time going to
Oh my god.
Lucky's,
I'm so nervous.
and I'm a little nervous. I'm a little shyness.
Girl, ain't nothing. Is it scary inside?
It's scary. Is it like the back rooms?
Yes.
Okay. See you guys here. It's a lot of people. Slayless. How do you feel? Oh. How do you?
Good. I feel amazed.
How do you feel?
Well, I've been here a lot of times, so...
Oh yeah, you're right. It's my first time. It's a lot. Like a lot. Hey guys.
Huh? Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
That's what I wanted to see. I was like,
It's a lot of people. Wait, I'm gonna put my hand up. So guys, there's a lot of people, and I was having a little panic. It's like I couldn't go through. It was just a lot. That's giving like Mexico. Mira, la máquina no tiene la decir al México.
La corre allá afuera, pero cuando la coró se fue para allá, mi homie está allá.
So guys, we just got out from the store. So they got the 2 drinks from the store. Honestly, I just didn't like it because it was like a lot of people, and I panicked a little bit. And it was too much, yes. But overall, it was a good store. They had everything that you ever wanted. Like they have everything that you need, you know. But yeah, we're gonna still look. We're gonna go to another store and find out a gift for my dad. Sorry, I'm just.
well, I was gonna do this, but I didn't.
Don't put that. Hey guys. So today's date is July 13th. Oh yeah, July 13th. Okay, hey guys, so today is July 13th. Yesterday was my dad's birthday, and we celebrated and we had like so much fun. And yeah, so today we are officially going. Well, actually, there's a few days that we went to Daytona, but we're going again because this time the things that we need for my car is ready. So yes, I'm here with my niece, my sister, my mom, and my sister-in-law. We are here all the gang, like girly pops. Cockiness. It's okay, guys. There's shyness.
I should get a cut. Las Vegas. Should I really not want? It was very scary. It was like a horror movie.
Hey guys, so we're here at the bank to take out the money. Chase is on the case. So today, yes, we are still on the way to go to Daytona. We have like 1 hour, maybe 30 or 40 minutes or so. I'm very excited because finally my first car is gonna be under my name, and it's that's my own car that I owned, like under my name. Can you believe that? Can you believe that?
No. Or yes, I don't know.
Period.
Alright guys, so without further ado, I see you later. Peace.
20? Is that for 20?
So this is 490, guys.
Like 490?
Like 6-7.
To put that there.
That's
too much information.
I'm not gonna put it.
Y si da mucha gente, da 50,
Oh,
da
hey.
50 estrellas son como $5.
Oh, sí.
Y así,
So guys, we have like 3 minutes. 3 minutes, guys. We're so close.
Sí, así es.
So close to that place.